Hey, hi, this is Manjuna Chandra. Today's session will be learning how to calculate monthly EMI on the loan amount. So, we have a small data with the loan ID, customer's name, the loan amount, the annual interest rate, the loan term, tenure, and the start date. So, we try to find the end date of this loan and the monthly EMI. Okay. So, before that, we'll start to find the end date. So, for end date, what we can do is use a e date function key. So it's asking you the start date. So I'm going to select the same start date. So months. So it's asking for a month here. So obviously here it says tenure of 5 years. So we need the months. So if we can select this and into 12 months, right? In a year, 12 months. So 5 into 12 months. So it'll give you 60 months. So hit enter. So we able to find the end date of the loan. So loan tenure, we have the end dates here. So we need to find the EMI, monthly EMI. So for that, there is a function in the Excel called as PMT. Okay, open the bracket. It says rate. Obviously, we know the 10% is the rate. So 10% is for annual. As you can see, it says annual interest rate. But we are trying to calculate for the monthly EMI. So obviously, for that interest rate, we need to divide by 12 months. So I'm dividing by 12 months, comma. NPR is nothing but the tenure of the this loan. It says 5 years. So we are calculating the monthly. So obviously, I will select this into 12. So we need to calculate the monthly in EMI. So we'll calculate by 5 years into 12 months. That is 60 months. So comma PV is nothing but the loan amount. So rest we can ignore. Say select this and hit enter. So you can see here it shows a credit because as we using the signs, so you can just change this to minus sign because that is it, that's the amount will debit it from the account. So let's make it as a positive. So just put a minus sign under the cell 2, that is the loan amount. So now we know that 10,000 is the amount monthly payment, and if it is 24 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 43,000 would be your EMI. So it's in dollar sign. So if you change it to normal accounting currency or Indian currency, let me change it to accounting. Okay, I just need to remove the dollar signs. Let me go select the numbers, currency, accounting, dollar sign, I can ignore it. So this is your monthly EMI. So it's easy to calculate. So since we need the 12 months, we are dividing by 12, and now 10 year monthly. So we are multiplying that with 12. So this is the annual amount. This is your actual EMI on monthly basis. I hope this session was helpful. Do let me know for any other function. I will create a video on it. Thank you for your time. Happy learning.